Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to be talking about bookmarks. So you're browsing around the web, and you want to remember certain sites that you go to a lot, but they have a funny name, or you just don't use them just enough to perfectly remember the web address. The solution for you is to use bookmarks. And when I'm going around doing, like, design stuff, one of the websites that I go to a lot is defont.com. And there's a lot of people who cut their teeth on making their own fonts here that you can use their stuff for free or cheap. And, I want to remember this, so what I would do is I'd click on this little star in the upper, right side of my address bar. And that will allow me to create a bookmark, and I can put this in a folder if I want, in order to save that for later. But I don't really have a folder for design resources anymore. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to create one. So I'm going to right click the menu bar here, the little bookmark bar, and I'm going to say I want to add a folder. I'm going to call this design resources. And I can put this in my regular bookmarks toolbar, my other bookmarks, which will, pop down another little list somewhere else, or mobile bookmarks, which would be on my phone. But I just want this to be in my regular bookmarks toolbar, so I'm just going to click save. So it's right here. Now, if I click on this, I have the option to put in design resources and click done, and it'll appear right here inside this folder when I open it. Now, let's say that I don't want this anymore. I've decided I don't need to have the bookmark from defont.com anymore. I can click the star again, and I can click remove, or at any time, I can just right-click the actual button inside this folder, and I can also delete this. I can open it in a new tab. I can copy it, paste it, all these different things. I have a bunch of different options. Or, if I want to manage my bookmarks in bulk, I can go to the three little dots, open up the menu over here. I can go down to Bookmarks and Lists, and then I can Bookmark Manager right here, which will bring open a list of all of my different bookmarks, so I can go through and I can clean this up for stuff that I don't use anymore. Like, I don't use this guy's stuff anymore, so I can delete him. I don't need this good stock folder anymore because I haven't opened that in probably 6 to 8 years. And I can quickly go through and delete everything that I don't want to use anymore. And then bingo bango, I'm done and ready to go on with my day. So there's a lot of options that you have to remember places that you like to go inside of Google Chrome and pretty much every web browser. Pretty much every web browser functions like this nowadays because most of them operate off of the Chromium system, which is what the backbone of Chrome is, and also the backbone of a number of other web browsers, including the one that runs on Windows, Microsoft Edge, or whatever it's called these days. So, I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.